in Oklahoma showing everybody what we got going on. That, you know, how we make the product, you know, boxing it up, bringing it to you, serial numbers. This is American-made materials by Americans.
We're cutting off this end because that particular end is not good for the machine.
The butt end of it. So we want to start with a nice soft cut before we put the machine.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go in here on that. Raise the blade up a little bit. Put our material in, our round stock or solid stock, and set it up so whatever length we need.
Okay, and this material here that you're starting with, this is our base product to start our spindle,
This is the
right?
base product. This is how it comes off the truck. I'll catch it before it falls on the floor. I'll set it up. That one will come out. It's always good to
What are we doing? Process on this side, so now we'll take it up to the other machine and do the second op. That way it gives you your serialization and your parts.